So this is number 2 of drawing animals. Yeah, animals. Okay. So last video we drew a cat. Now we're gonna draw a dog. And this is our dog that we're going to draw on a piece of paper. And when I am done, in the comments section, you will tell me if I was close to this one. Yeah, so let's get to it. And if you watch the next video, you will understand why I am leaving out bits of the video, which I'm calling cutting it. But yeah, so you'll understand if you watch the last video. And let's get started. Okay, here's the head. The head. And here's the head for this guy. Sorry if my nose looks a little bit like a pig's snout. Okay, I'm not that good at drawing the noses for dogs, okay? That's why I don't really like drawing dogs that much, because I can't do the noses that well. And that's it. Well, let's get to the next stage. And here we go. Here's the body. I will do the tail in a sec, so don't go in the comments saying, "You forgot the tail!" Okay? So, here you go. And then here's that body, minusing the tail. Now let's do the tail. And here we go. Here's my dog. I know the tail's a little off. Please don't yell at me for that. But here's my dog. And here's this dog. Tell me in the comments if you thought that was pretty close, or if you think that it wasn't close at all. And if you do think that it wasn't close, please tell me why. But you don't have to. So, bye!